Do you want a garden that produces abundantly, that will save money, is beautiful, and nourish your health at the same time?
Use these 10 tips for the garden.
Step number 10. Multiply what works. Save seeds from mature plants. Grow plants that is thriving. Step number 9. Create a worm bin. It attracts worms. Worm castings are the best fertilizer for the garden. This is my homemade bin with all kitchen scraps. Number 8. Compost bin. Well, it creates compost and organic matter for the garden, reducing waste in the process. Number 7. Pests. Just don't let it get out of control. Number 6. Grow vertically. Garden in 3D using trellis, containers, arches, tents. Number 5. Use the shade. Pick leafy vegetables that thrive with little sun. Utilize all of the garden space. This is my rosemary bush tucked under a plant canopy. Number 4. Cover the ground with wood chips, leaves, organic matter. Number 3. Rainwater. Collect and use it. Otherwise, it goes down the drain. Plants love rainwater. Number 2. Fertilize bin. Leave for 3+ days to create organic liquid fertilizer. Weeds are your friend. And number 1. Start seeds every month. This will enable your garden to grow all year round.
Like and share if you find these tips helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.